If you are trying to move your money from PayPal to Revolut, you probably already know that these two platforms do not always play nice together. It feels like they are intentionally making it difficult to move your own cash, but I am going to show you the exact workaround to get your funds into your Revolut account in just a few minutes. Stick around until the very end, because I am also going to share a specific trick regarding currency conversion that will save you about 3% on every single transfer you make from now on. The main reason this is such a headache is that PayPal prefers to keep your money inside their own ecosystem, where they can charge you high fees for simple tasks. Revolut is a competitor, so PayPal does not provide a big Send to Revolut button on their dashboard. They want you to use their own expensive conversion rates instead of Revolut's much better interbank rates. To bypass this, we are going to use your Revolut card as a bridge between the two services. First, you need to log into your PayPal account on a computer or your phone. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You will see several options like Home and Activity, but you need to click on the one that says Pay and Get Paid. Under this menu, look for the Wallet section and then click on the option for Bank Accounts and Cards. This is the control center for where your money goes. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this page until you see the section for credit and debit cards. Now, you need to open your Revolut app on your phone to get your card details. It is usually better to use your physical Revolut card or your main virtual card for this. Back on the PayPal screen, click on Link a Card. This is where you enter your 16-digit Revolut card number, the card type, the expiry date, and that 3-digit security code on the back. Once you hit Link Card, PayPal might do a tiny temporary charge to verify it is really you. Now that the bridge is built, go back to your PayPal dashboard. If you have a balance, you will see an option that says Transfer Money. Click that, select your Revolut card as the destination, and type in the amount you want to send. Most of the time, this happens instantly, and you will see the notification pop up on your Revolut app within seconds. Since you stayed this long, here is the pro tip for saving money. When you are transferring, PayPal will often try to help you by converting the currency itself. Never let them do this. If your PayPal is in dollars, but your Revolut is in euros, always send the money in the original currency of your PayPal balance. Let Revolut handle the conversion on their end instead. PayPal's exchange rates are notoriously bad, and by letting Revolut do the math, you keep more of your money where it belongs. If you want to see how to set up your Revolut account to handle these different currencies even faster, you should check out my guide on managing multiple currency pockets next.